Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm excited to share this Canva hack with you. It's a transition hack that I think you should know. So let's get started. I'll be using an image to demonstrate this. This is a Nollywood image, Nollywood poster. We resize it to fit the page. Then I'll go to my element, get a circle hole icon. I'll be using this one. Stretch it out. Let me collapse this and zoom in, or zoom out rather. Then increase this. The idea is for the black space to fill the page. Alright, so this is what I want. Let me zoom in. I still have some space left. Let's zoom out to increase the size yet again. I think this is much better. Get my text and type in the name Chinenye Nebe. Then type in the second word, the second text. I'll be using Lorem Ipsum 4 to generate my placeholder text. Change the color to white and bring it down here. Increase the size. Place it. We can group the text and place it somewhere here. I need to reduce the transparency to 80. Yeah, this is it. Now we can duplicate this page. Duplicate page. Move this circle to the second address. But this time I'm going to reduce the size of this circle. Zoom in. Place the name here. Then I can change the name to Sonia, because that's the name of the actress. I can place it somewhere here. Duplicate this page. This time the focus will be on the third actor. Reposition this and change the name to Maurice Sam. We can put this down. All right, now we can go ahead and add transition to this. We'll be using the match and move transition. Increase the duration to about 1.2. Now we can change the duration for each page to maybe 1.5. Apply to all pages. And this transition should also apply to all pages. And now let's see what we have done so far. Let's play this. So this is how to create this kind of effect in Canva, transition effect, a very simple process that you can use your for your movie, for your presentation. One last thing I need to add, let me add this page. Let's add another page, duplicate this one so that we can now see the full screen. Let me resize this and then increase the size of this circle. We want to be able to see all the actors in the movie poster. All right. And then remove this name. Let's also add the match and move transition. And then we can reduce the size of this movie poster. Okay, leave it at that. All right, let's see the final project. Let's see what it now looks like. This is it. This is it, and that's it. So this is how you can add this kind of transition effect to your project, whether it's a movie you're creating, whether it's an animation presentation, whatever it is, you can create this kind of effect to it in Canva. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet a subscriber. If you found value in this tutorial, also ensure to like, comment, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Thank you so much.